Welcome to Consult Kriba, your trusted partner for helping Indian exporters grow their business globally with practical strategies. Denmark may be a small country with just 5.9 million people, but it imports over $13.5 billion worth of machinery and mechanical appliances in 2024 alone. This makes industrial goods its biggest import category, making up 11% of everything Denmark buys from abroad. India is already part of this market, exporting around $870 million worth of goods to Denmark in 2024. About one-fourth of these are engineering products. While this may seem small compared to bigger markets like Germany or the US, Danish buyers pay premium prices for suppliers who prove they are reliable, transparent, and committed to low-carbon manufacturing. A key boost to this opportunity is the India-Denmark Green Strategic Partnership started in 2020. This partnership supports joint investments in clean energy, water tech, smart manufacturing, and life sciences. All these industries need precision parts like pumps, valves, electrical components, and high-quality steel, products that many Indian MSMEs can make. Where does the demand come from? Wind energy. Denmark plans to triple its wind power capacity to 120 gigawatts by 2030. Food and pharma automation, home to brands like Arla Foods and Novo Nordisk. Denmark invests heavily in pumps with hygienic designs, quiet motors, and stainless steel tubing. District heating and green fuels. Upgrades to Denmark's heating system call for insulated steel pipes, strong valves, and smart flow control systems connected with the Internet of Things, IoT. Danish manufacturers want innovation but also play it safe. Compliance with EU rules, including CE marking under the latest machinery regulation, and certifications like REACH and RoHS. Proof of sustainability with carbon footprint reports, ISO 14001 certification, and readiness for the EU's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, CBAM. Flexibility to run small pilot production batches before signing long-term contracts. Regulations can be tricky, but if you get them right, you'll be rewarded. CE, marking and technical documentation are required before your products clear customs. This process can take 8 to 12 weeks, including possible expert reviews. The Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism started its reporting phase in 2023. From 2026, importers must have PBAM certificates. However, small importers bringing less than 50 tons annually may be exempt, with some flexibility until 2027. Thanks to the EU's Generalized System of Preferences, GSP, Indian industrial goods enjoy very low or zero customs duties until the end of 2027. An advantage you should use fully. Key takeaways. Denmark is small but a very valuable and strict market where precision and sustainability matter more than the lowest price. How do Danish buyers think, and how can you win them? Transparency is key. They want detailed information on costs throughout the product's life, ISO certificates, and supply chain mapping before discussing prices. Decisions are made by consensus, often involving engineers, quality managers, and sustainability officers. Make sure your documents clearly address the concerns of each group. They value genuine green efforts. Offering eco-friendly shipping or recycled materials is seen as real value, not just a sales pitch. Here's a simple game plan you can follow. Check your factory against EU Machinery Regulation Annex 3. And begin preparing your CE technical files. Use Denmark's StatBank to study demand and shortlist 25 top potential buyers, including key component makers and specialized distributors. Verify your product's tariff classification using the EU's Access to Markets portal and get binding tariff information if needed. Improve your LinkedIn profile and share posts highlighting your product innovations like noise reduction or energy savings. Reach out to decision makers with a clear discovery question like, which is more important to you, price stability, certifications, or fast customization? Ship pilot samples to the buyer's lab using express customs clearance to keep your GSP benefits intact. Send your formal quote with terms DPAB or HIS, attaching CE certificates, ISO certifications, and a one-page carbon footprint summary. Book shipment from Gava to Aarhus, allowing extra days for winter delays, and choose biofuel options plus cargo insurance. Delivery week. Upload all shipping documents to the buyer's portal and schedule inland trucking. After sales, get a short video testimonial from the buyer and share it on LinkedIn to open doors to more Danish clients. Common pitfalls to avoid. Poor packaging. Add internationally tested crate drawings to your quotes. Cutting prices too much. Instead, focus on how your product saves money over its lifetime. Danish buyers dislike lowball offers. Ignoring carbon rules. Start tracking your emissions data now, so you are ready before kabam becomes mandatory. Key takeaways. Denmark is small but a very valuable and strict market where precision and sustainability matter more than the lowest price. Mastering EU technical and carbon regulations early can turn compliance into a competitive advantage. By aligning your sales approach with Denmark's consensus-driven buying culture, you can grow from small pilot orders to multi-year contracts. Many Indian MSMEs, from pump makers in Coimbatore to precision casters in Pune, are already winning in Denmark by offering traceability and 40% lower CO2 footprints. Follow this roadmap, and your factory can be next in line. Ready to make your first Danish sale? Start by claiming your RSM Export Success Kit to find out how much you can earn in export business within 6 months. Thank you for watching Consult Kriba. For more export growth insights, tips, and expert guidance, visit our website at consultkriba.com.